I am worthy of healing my trauma. I am worthy of releasing karma. I am worthy of aligning with my highest goals. I am worthy of desiring goodness for my soul. Manifesting, manifesting magic. Manifesting, manifesting magic. Manifesting, manifesting magic. Manifesting, manifesting magic. Building a life I've only seen in my dreams. Knowing the things I wanna come into me. Trusting the process will bring me what I need. Manifest magic.
And it's really important that we start to understand that we are here for a divine purpose. We're not here